Hello, this is JNM Reviews, and I am excited because I'm having a good hair day. Let me tell you why. This was a free sample provided by REECHO. So they're hair extensions made with Japanese fibers, and they are 22 inches, colored chocolate brown. And just keep in mind that I do dye my hair in number 8. Here are some REECHO extensions. These are instructions and how to take care of your extensions, but let me tell you why I love these extensions. So they're a 22-inch ponytail and they come pre-styled. They have natural waves. We makes it look very natural, and it's also great because if you don't have time or if you're looking to add volume, this is perfect. So all I did was add a little bit of spray, and the ponytail in the back, it has two pins, one in the front, one in the back. You just want to put your hair in a bun. The pins and the scrunchie is provided, and then you just pin it to your natural hair, and this is how it looks. Look, it looks so beautiful. You can wear it like on the sides, or you can wear it on the back. And also you feel so pretty when you have this long beautiful hair that looks natural and it looks exactly like my hair color. So I just love it. They have different colors, they have different lengths. I hope you check them out. They're worth it. Thank you for watching my video.